Hey, good day. Do you want to know something interesting? Did you know that the scariest word in the English dictionary is the content that you are going to be hearing today? So buckle up and be prepared. So picture this. Within the intricacies of our bodies, a puzzle takes shape. It's the puzzle of cancer. Yeah, we are going to be talking about cancer. It's a challenge that puzzled scientists, doctors, and all of us. Today, we're embarking on the journey to unravel this puzzle, to dive into the depths of what cancer is and how it works. So, our guide in this journey will be science. Because nothing is more credible than science, right? We'll, we'll explore the cells, the building blocks of life, and see how things can sometimes go awry. We'll dig into the genetic code, those instructions that guide our cells, and understand how changes in this code can lead to chaos. But this is not just about science. We'll also peek into our everyday choices, what we eat, how we live, and see how they play a role. We'll uncover the factors, both within and around us, that can set the stage for cancer. And then we'll step into the doctor's office and learn how they piece together the puzzle through diagnostics. As we move forward, we'll discover the tools doctors use to tackle cancer head on. From surgeries to medications, we'll see how each puzzle fits into a larger picture of treatment. And we won't forget the emotional side, of course. How cancer can impact the mental health and support available. So buckle up. This isn't just another documentary. This is a journey into the heart of cancer. A journey that will empower you with knowledge, equip you with understanding, and connect you to the collective effort to conquer this problem. So welcome. Welcome to Understanding Cancer. So, let's understand the basics of cancer. Let's dive into the core of what matters. So, what exactly is cancer? Imagine our body's cells as a bustling city, each with its own role and responsibility. But sometimes, a cell goes rogue or becomes super independent in such cases. It starts multiplying uncontrollably and forms a lump that what we call a tumor. So, a tumor happens due to, or a cancer happens due to genetic mutations, changes in a cell's instruction manual. These mutations disrupt the normal checks and balances that keep cells in line. So as a result, cells ignore signals to stop growing, leading to the formation of these troublesome tumors. But tumors can be benign or malignant. Benign tumors are like well-behaved citizens. They stay put and don't cause too much trouble, while malignant tumors, on the other hand, are the rebels. They invade nearby tissues and in some cases spread to other parts of the body. And that process is what we call metastasis. Basics of cancer, let's move forward and dissect the factors that contribute to its emergence, the intricate interplay between our genes and the world around us. So the next part is the risk factors. So in this chapter, we're exploring the elements that shape the cancer landscape. Think of it as a puzzle made up of genetic pieces and environmental factors. Some of these pieces we inherit from our parents, while others we gather from our surroundings. Genetic predisposition. The genetic pieces we inherit can influence our vulnerability. But it's not just about genetics. Lifestyle choices can also play an important role. Smoking, poor diet, lack of exercise. These are the puzzle pieces that can increase our chances of cancer. The environment adds more pieces to the puzzle. Carcinogens. Carcinogens like pollutants and radiation can trigger genetic changes that can set stage for cancer. So when you look at the bigger picture, it's the interaction between our genes and the world around us that determines our risk. So now that we've pieced together the puzzles of risk factors, let's move forward and see how we use science to unravel this mystery through diagnostics. So the next part is diagnostics. Imagine our journey as a detective story, where the objective is to uncover the culprit, and that culprit would be cancer. This chapter introduces us to the detectives of the medical world, armed with powerful tools to unveil the hidden truths within our bodies. So there are the X-rays, the MRIs, biopsies. So diagnostic imaging such as X-rays and MRI serves as our magnifying glass. It allows doctors to peer beneath the surface, capturing images of the inner workings of cells and tissues. But that's not all. Sometimes, to catch the culprit red-handed, a biopsy is needed. So, what is a biopsy? A biopsy involves taking a small sample of tissue for examination under the microscope. This microscopic scrutiny enables pathologists to identify whether the cells are normal or cancerous. The information they gather is like pieces of evidence that form the foundations of diagnosis. Armed with these diagnostic tools, we're equipped to move forward and explore the array of treatments available to counter the threat of cancer. So the next is Chapter 5, Treatment. So as we delve into the realm of treatment, imagine a battlefield where science meets resilience. This chapter introduces us to the soldiers in the fight against cancer. The treatments. Those treatment rallies against the relentless advance of this adversary. So, first one, surgery. Surgery takes the center stage as the frontline assault. Surgeons wield the expertise to remove tumors, cutting out the threat piece by piece. Chemotherapy and radiation therapy join the fray, targeting the rapidly dividing cells with precision. Immunotherapy is a revolutionary approach that recruits the body's immune system to identify and eliminate cancer cells. And targeted therapy, on the other hand, takes the sniper approach, homing on the specific molecular vulnerabilities within the cancer cells. But there is still an important question. Why is cancer so complex? Why don't we have a cure? Just treatments, right? It's a question. Treatments are long-term, cures are short-term. So why does cancer doesn't have any cure? That's what makes cancer deadly, because it doesn't have a cure and anything, even your enemy. If your enemy doesn't have a weakness, then it makes him so deadly, right? So, now, again, the question is, what makes cancer so complex? So, the challenge lies in its disregard for body's normal controls. So, unlike regular cells, cancer cells multiply quickly, forming tumors that can invade nearby tissues and spread to other places. Right? Again, this is called metastasis. Now, it's even trickier because there isn't just one type of cancer. There isn't just one type of cancer. There are many types of cancer: prostate cancer, brain cancer, breast cancer. There are a lot of cancer types. So there are many variations, each with their own features. This means that a treatment that works for one person might not work for someone else, and that makes finding a universal cure difficult. But the lack of single cure isn't a lack of trying. It's because cancer is so complex and can adapt. As science gets better, our understanding grows, and treatments improve. So while the complete cure is hard to find, the journey to manage and overcome cancer keeps going with complete determination. So now that we understand cancer's treatment landscape in place, let's journey into the realm of emotions and delve into how mental health intersects with this intricate. So the next chapter is the mental health impact. Amidst the scientific battleground, emotions surge as a parallel force, shaping the journey through cancer. In this chapter, we navigate the emotional landscape where resilience meets vulnerability and mental well being becomes an essential compass. A cancer diagnosis can trigger a whirlwind of emotions fear, anxiety, and uncertainty. It's a unique challenge that tests the limits of one's emotional endurance. However, within this challenge lies an opportunity for growth and healing. Mental health professionals offer a guiding hand through this terrain, equipping individuals with tools to manage distress and harness the power of psychological resilience. Support groups provide a safe place fostering a sense of belonging and understanding. Remember, amidst the intricate mechanics of diagnosis and treatments, acknowledging and nurturing one's emotional well-being is integral. The journey through cancer becomes not just a physical endeavor, but also a testament to the human spirit's capacity to endure and thrive. With emotional resilience at the forefront, we move forward to explore the broader implications of cancer on society and reflect on the progress made in our collective quest for understanding and conquering this challenge. So the next chapter will be implications and reflections. As we venture into the realm of implications, the story of cancer extends beyond the individual, weaving a tapestry of progress, innovation, and advocacy that reverberates through society. Laboratories worldwide become crucibles of discovery. As scientists unravel the complexities of cancer's origins and behaviors, breakthrough in understanding and treatment illuminate the path forward, hinting at the future where cancer's grip might loosen. Advocacy becomes an anthem of hope, resonating through awareness campaigns, fundraising endeavors, and legislative initiatives, as a testament to the power of collective action as communities unite to make their voices heard. Reflection too finds its place in this chapter. Looking back, we witness how far we've come and how much further we can go. Cancer is no longer just a diagnosis, it's a call to action, a rallying point for scientific advancement and social transformation. So as we stand at the brink of our journey's conclusion, let's draw inspiration from the progress made and the possibilities that lie ahead. Join us as we gather the threads of knowledge and hope to weave a compelling conclusion that reverberates with the pulse of life itself. As we reach the culmination of our expedition, it's time to reflect on the journey we've undertaken through the intricate corridors of cancer's enigma. Along this path, we've encountered the resilience of individuals and dedication of scientists, the strength of communities. We've witnessed how science intersects with compassion, how knowledge intertwines with empathy. Cancer was once a formidable foe, stands before us not just a challenge but as an opportunity. Each diagnosis, each treatment, each advancement serves as a stepping stone on the path towards a future where cancer's grip is loosened, where lives are reclaimed. The journey of understanding cancer is not solitary, it's a collective endeavor, a symphony of intellect and heart. So as we conclude, let's remember that within every challenge lies the spark of innovation, the light of unity, and the resonance of shared humanity. From here, the journey continues as science marches onward and communities stand united. Let's carry the torch of understanding forward, knowing that with each and every step, we are inch closer to the world where the puzzle of cancer's complexity is unraveled, and the promise of life's preciousness shines brighter than ever before.